Relax, close our eyes, breathe and exhale, letting go and seeing that light engulfing us for 7 feet in circumference, coming down through the center of our head and expanding through the head and through the throat and from the center of the body into the chest, down into the arms, down into the abdomen and the solar plexus, the sacrum and the coccyx, the pelvic girdle, down into the legs, the groin and the legs, the knees, really expanding into the knees, down into the lower legs and into the ankles, and down into the feet and into the toes. And as this energy is surrounding us for 7 feet, it's also expanding from the center of our being, our bodies, and expanding into the skin, the organs, the functions, and all in a beautiful symphony of light and sound. And let your breathing just relax and be easy and just find that space of stillness. And it's right there between the eyes, eyebrows, within the center of the head is where we can access this, just letting go.